Inbertec wireless ground support team communication solutions are designed to provide clear, full-duplex, hands-free team communication needs in high-noise environments, such as airport ground support operations, pushback, de-icing, maintenance, vehicle command and control. Wireless products include UW2000 full-duplex cordless headset, UW6000 carbon fiber full-duplex cordless headset, UGA100 pushback gateway aircraft station, UGP100 half-duplex intercom. Highlight 1. True wireless design, no belt unit required. Full duplex communication, talk and listen simultaneously. Highlight 2. 20 communication channels. Up to 10 to talk at the same channel, unlimited users per team. Highlight 3. Working distance, 1600 feet. Highlight 4. Screen display, clear view of channel and battery status. For more information, please visit Inbertec website.